In this video, we're going to talk about how to pack a healthy and nutritious lunchbox. By no means these are the only options, but there are really great resources out there, but you want to find something that's quite well balanced and has your child feeling fuller for longer and will concentrate throughout the day. I like to start with the Australian Guides to Healthy Eating. I think this, and you can find that at eatforhealth.gov.au. And this gives you options of the 5 food groups that you should aim to have into your child's lunchbox per day. So you've got your grains, you've got your fruit and vegetables, you've got some protein there, and you've also got your dairy. And so we've followed that guideline here in our lunchbox today. So you can see we've got our carrots and capsicum for our vegetables, and we've got a mandarin. You can choose whatever your child likes with the apples and vegetables. You could put some dips in there to make it a little bit more exciting too, avocado, hummus dip. We have it's always great if you can make something, if you have time to make something. So we've got there a little crumble that's got some berries and some nice nutritious, another way to get your vegetables in there too. We've got your yogurt. This is a really good option. There are so many on the market at the moment and they are laden with sugar, and this one is a natural sugar that is in there, so it's a really good option for your child. We then have a roll here we've packed with some, you can't actually see there, but we have some chicken in there, some cheese and some salad, a great way to hide some of those vegetables that your children may not always enjoy, but you can make it really nutritious.